Is your Tesla Model S HomeLink failing to open your garage door? Don't worry, it's a common issue. The first step is to ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Tesla has released updates like version 2025.4.2 that specifically address HomeLink issues and improve signal compatibility. A simple software update often resolves the problem. If not, let's move on to reprogramming. Reprogramming HomeLink is usually the next best option. Access the HomeLink menu on your Tesla's touchscreen under Vehicle HomeLink. Follow the on-screen prompts to add or reprogram your garage door opener. This process usually involves holding your garage door remote close to the rearview mirror and pressing the HomeLink button until it flashes. For stubborn cases, try a software reset via the service menu by tapping the Tesla T logo 5 times. Signal interference occurs when other electronic devices disrupt the radio frequency signals that HomeLink uses to communicate with your garage door opener. This can prevent the system from working correctly. HomeLink operates using radio frequency signals, typically in the 300 to 400 megahertz range, to communicate with your garage door opener. The garage door opener and the car's HomeLink system communicate through these RF signals. Common culprits that cause interference include Wi-Fi routers, Bluetooth devices, and nearby power lines, all of which can emit signals in overlapping frequencies. This chart shows how various appliances and devices operate at different frequencies, which can interfere with HomeLink's 300 to 400 megahertz range. Wi-Fi signals and other household devices can bleed into the same frequency bands, causing signal disruptions. In severe cases, an RF signal booster or amplifier circuit can help strengthen the HomeLink signal. To resolve interference, try relocating your car to a different spot in front of the garage and reprogramming HomeLink. For severe cases, consider using an RF signal booster or moving other transmitting equipment away. Many modern garage door openers use rolling codes, like the Security Plus protocol, which change with each use for enhanced security. These codes prevent unauthorized access by ensuring no single code works repeatedly. Here's how it works. Each time the garage door is operated, the opener generates a new code. The rolling code system advances through a sequence, making it nearly impossible to guess or replay an old code. HomeLink in your Tesla needs to learn these rolling codes during programming. It captures the current code and synchronizes with the opener's sequence to send the correct signal each time. This allows HomeLink to control the garage door seamlessly. However, if the codes get out of sync or initial programming fails, you'll need to reprogram. If the initial programming fails, consult your garage door opener's manual for specific instructions on programming with universal remotes like HomeLink. You may need to press a Learn button on your garage door opener itself to put it in programming mode. Follow these steps carefully, and remember that different garage door brands may have slightly different procedures for entering Learn mode. If software updates and reprogramming don't work, you might have a hardware problem. This could be a worn-out HomeLink button or an internal circuit issue. Tesla's diagnostic tools or a dealer scan can help diagnose these problems. Owners of pre-2018 Model S vehicles may be more susceptible to hardware failures. A worn-out HomeLink button from repeated use can cause unresponsiveness. Check for physical wear or damage on the button. Internal circuit issues involve electrical faults in the HomeLink module that prevent proper signal transmission. To diagnose hardware problems, use Tesla's diagnostic tools like T-Diag software, or take it to a dealer for a scan. Owners of pre-2018 Model S vehicles are more susceptible to these hardware failures due to aging components. As an alternative to HomeLink, consider the Tesla mobile app for controlling your garage door remotely. The app provides convenient access from anywhere, eliminating signal interference issues common with traditional systems. For enhanced smart home integration, many new Model S owners choose systems compatible with the Matter protocol. Matter creates a unified standard for connecting devices from different brands, making your garage door part of a seamless smart home ecosystem. These modern alternatives offer significant advantages over traditional HomeLink systems. Approximately 60% of new Model S buyers now opt for smart home integrations, and future updates will include AI-driven features for even more automated control. HomeLink issues can be very specific to certain systems. For example, some Chamberlain MyQ systems have experienced conflicts with Tesla firmware due to cloud-based updates that interfere with the vehicle's HomeLink programming. In urban areas, dense 5G towers can cause significant signal interference, reducing HomeLink range by up to 70% due to electromagnetic interference. Expert opinions from Consumer Reports show Tesla's HomeLink reliability at 7.5 out of 10 as of 2025, reflecting significant improvements through regular software updates that fix bugs and enhance compatibility. Looking ahead, Tesla is evolving towards seamless smart home control, potentially reducing reliance on traditional HomeLink systems through advanced app integration, AI-driven features, and 5G connectivity for more reliable remote access. For the best experience, always keep your Tesla software updated to access the latest improvements, and consider smart home alternatives like app-controlled garage openers for enhanced convenience and reliability.